Oxford Read and Discover, Level 6, All About Space, by Alex Raynham, read by Laurel Lefko. Published in copyright Oxford University Press, 2010. Introduction. Space is everything that's around planet Earth, and it's bigger than we can imagine. When you look at the sky at night, you can see thousands of stars. Did you know that the sun is a star too? There are also billions of other stars in space and billions of planets. How many planets do you know? What do you know about them? What can you see below?
Discover!
Now read and discover more about space. Chapter 1. Our Solar System. Stars are huge balls of hot gas. A star with planets around it is called a solar system. Our sun has 8 planets. This is our solar system. Our galaxy. Groups of stars are called galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. Our solar system is in a galaxy called the Milky Way that has 200 billion stars. There are billions of other galaxies in the universe.
Discover!
The universe is everything that exists. All the stars and all the galaxies. It appeared in a single moment, called the Big Bang, about 14 billion years ago. Before then, there were no stars. Our amazing sun. The sun and all other stars are made of 2 gases called hydrogen and helium. The hydrogen changes into helium in a process called nuclear fusion. This process produces heat and light. Our sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth, but it's hot enough to burn you at the beach. Plants on Earth use energy from the sun to grow. Animals and people also get their energy from the sun because they eat plants. Earth and the sun. A planet goes around, or orbits, a star. It takes our planet Earth 1 year to orbit the sun. A planet also turns on its axis. It takes Earth 24 hours to do a complete turn on its axis. When a place on Earth is opposite the sun, it's daytime in that place. The planets in our solar system. All the planets in our solar system orbit the sun. A year is the time that it takes a planet to orbit the sun. It's 365 days for Earth. Mercury and Venus are near the sun, so they have shorter years because they travel a shorter distance around the sun. A year on Mercury is the same as 88 days on Earth. Planets that are further from the sun have longer orbits. A year on Neptune is the same as 165 years on Earth. Each planet in our solar system is different, but Mercury, Venus, and Mars are rocky planets like Earth. If you landed on these planets, you would find rocks, and you could walk around on them. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called gas giants. They are much bigger than the rocky planets, and they are made mostly of gas. Dwarf planets. Astronomers have discovered 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. Dwarf planets are like very small planets, and they orbit the sun. The biggest dwarf planet is called Eris, and it's 2,500 kilometers across.
Discover.
The most famous dwarf planet is Pluto. It was discovered in 1930, and for more than 70 years it was called the 9th planet in the solar system. Now, it's called a dwarf planet.